Module 6, Lessons 16 and 17. In this lesson, we will learn how to turn our quick tens and ones drawing into a vertical addition sentence. You will need paper and pencil. Let's solve 39 plus 26. On your paper, make a vertical quick tens and ones drawing. To solve, I'm going to draw 3 tens and 9 ones for 39. And below it, I'm going to draw 2 tens and 6 ones for 26. We can write this math problem vertically with numbers like this: 39 plus 26. Be sure you have lined up your tens and ones. Now we need to count the ones and circle a group of 10. If I count 10 ones and circle those 10 ones, I have 5 ones left over. Now let's look at the vertical addition sentence. When we had 9 ones plus 6 ones, that gave us a total of 15. I circled those 10, so that leaves me with 5. Notice how I put my 5 here, and then I put my 1 underneath this 2. That lets me know that I have another group of 10. Now we need to count the tens. Remember to count the group of tens that you circled. So we have 6 tens. There are 5 10 sticks, and then that group of 10 that we circled. So we need to write a 6 below the 10 sticks. So we have 65. Now if you look at your number sentence, 3 plus 2 is 5, but don't forget that 1 that represents this group of 10 that we circled. So 5 plus 1 equals 6. So here, I would write the 6 underneath the tens place. So 6 tens, 5 ones. So 39 plus 26 equals 65. I showed it using the quick tens and ones drawing, and then I showed it vertically with the addition sentence. Let's try some more. 59 plus 37. On your paper, make a vertical quick tens and ones drawing and a vertical addition sentence. To solve, I'm going to draw 5 tens and 9 ones for 59, and below it, I'm going to draw 3 more tens and 7 ones to make 37. So now that I have my picture drawn, I'm going to write a vertical addition sentence using numbers: 59 plus 37. Be sure you have lined up your tens and your ones. The next step is to circle 10 ones. Here I have 9 ones, and I know that 9 plus 1 more gives me a 10. So I'm going to circle that group of 10 ones. That leaves me with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. So I'm going to write a 6 under the ones right here in my drawing. Looking at my math problem, 59 plus 37, 9 plus 7 equals 16. So I put the 6 ones that are left underneath 9 plus 7, and then I'm going to move that little 1 right here underneath the 3. That tells me I have 5 tens, 3 tens, plus 1 more group of 10. Now we need to finish solving the vertical addition problem. So, what is 5 plus 3 plus 1? 5, 6, 7, 8 plus this 1 group is 9. So I have 9 tens. So 59 plus 37 equals 96. Let's try some more. 28 plus 43. On your paper, make a vertical quick tens and ones drawing and a vertical addition sentence. To solve, I'm going to draw 2 tens and 8 ones for the number 28. Below it, I'm going to draw 4 tens and 3 ones for the number 43. We can write this math problem vertically with numbers like this: 28 plus 43. But be sure you have lined up your tens and ones. Next, I'm going to circle 10 ones. So after I've circled 10 ones, I need to count the ones that are not circled and write that number below the ones place. Well, if I look, I only have one 1 that is not circled, so I'm going to put a 1 right here. Now let's look at our vertical addition problem. 8 plus 3 equals 11. Here's 8 plus 3, that gives me 11. Notice that I've already circled that group of 10, so I have one 1 that has not been circled. And then I put this little small 1 underneath the 4 in the tens place to show that there is one more group of 10. So here I have 2 10s plus 4 10s plus one more 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 10s. So I'm going to record the 7 below the 10 stick. Now we need to finish solving the vertical addition problem. 2 plus 4 plus 1 is 7. So we need to write a 7 below the tens place. So 28 plus 43 equals 71. Let's try some more. 26 plus 67. On your paper, make a vertical quick tens and ones drawing and a vertical addition sentence. To solve, I'm going to draw 2 10s and 6 ones for 26. Below it, I'm going to draw 6 10s and 7 ones for 67. And we can write this math problem vertically with numbers. 26 plus 67. Just be sure that you have lined up your 10s and your ones. Next, I'm going to go to my ones column and circle 10 ones. After I have circled 10 ones, I'm going to count the ones that are not circled and write that number below the ones. I have 1, 2, 3. There are 3 ones that are not circled, so I'm going to write it below the ones column. If you look at the vertical addition problem, 6 plus 7 equals 13. So we're going to write a 3 underneath the ones, and then I'm going to put this 1 right here underneath the tens place. Now we need to go back and count our tens. There are 9 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So record that below the tens column. Now let's finish solving the vertical addition problem. 2 plus 6 plus 1 is 9. So we need to put a 9 underneath the tens place. So 26 plus 67 equals 93. Let's try some more. 47 plus 35. On your paper, make a vertical quick tens and ones drawing and a vertical addition sentence. To solve, I'm going to draw 4 10s and 7 ones for 47. Below it, I'm going to draw 3 10s and 5 ones for 35. We can write this math problem vertically with numbers like this, 47 plus 35. Be sure you have lined up your 10s and ones. Next, circle 10 ones. Count the ones that aren't circled and write that number below the ones. So if I count 10 ones, I have 2 that are not circled, so I'm going to write this number 2 right here. Let's look at our vertical addition problem. What is 7 plus 5? That equals 12. So I have 2 that are left over plus that one group of 10. Now we need to go back and count the 10s. There are 8 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So record that below the 10 sticks. Now we need to finish solving the vertical addition problem. What is 4 plus 3 plus 1? It is 8. So we need to write an 8 below the 10s. So 47 plus 35 equals 82. In this lesson today, we reviewed vertical quick 10 drawings. We also learned how to add vertically.